Hello, welcome to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you three free websites that you can earn real cash from. The third one is the one I love most. But before I continue, if you are new to this channel, on this channel, I share videos on how you can make money online for free. So subscribe and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I drop video. So let's continue. The first one is Tuluna Influencer. You can say Tuluna Influencer, influence your world. Influencer is a community where you can voice your opinion and get rewarded instantly by participating in exciting market research projects relevant to you. As you can see, you can register by either clicking this place, or if you have an account before, you click on sign in and you get paid through PayPal or Amazon gift card. And as you can see, the review on Trustpilot is 4 review scores, and over 9,809 reviews have been made. So, so let me show you the sign up page. You change your country from here. You can either choose any country you want, country you are. So, and you fill in the information here, as in your name, surname, and your gender also. And let's go to the second one. The second one is Opinion App. As you can see, take surveys anywhere, anytime, and make your voice count. Share your opinion and get rewards for each surveys you take, all in one single app. This website have their app it on Google Play and also on iOS App Store. So you can download it, see all your panel surveys in one app, take surveys on your mobile device. So you can either download from Google Play or Apple Store. So you can click either of the button if you are using, depending on the phone you are using. And which the third one is Ysense. Ysense is a survey site where you earn extra cash. As you can see, Ysense is a global online community with multiple earning options. Join now and start earning with paid online surveys, cash offers, and more. You can simply register just by inputting your email and your password, and also check this box to agree to their terms and conditions. So you click join now. So and also you can earn through referral, also cash offers and pay surveys. And you can also download their app on Google Play also or Apple Store. So if you haven't subscribed to this channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and on the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I drop new video.